Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Check your car's head unit for Android Auto or built-in Android Automotive. Once done, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and plug a verified USB cable if the car requires wired mode. Make sure to accept permission prompts for location, microphone, and notifications so apps can work. If a pairing code appears, compare digits and accept. This gets your device recognized. Next, you move into app layout and audio routing. Now you configure the system. Open the Android Auto app or built-in settings and choose preferred navigation and media apps so they appear on the car screen. Then set the audio route, select car speakers or a Bluetooth device in the media output menu to avoid sudden audio drops. Customize the launcher and quick shortcuts for one-touch access to maps, music, and calls. Enable Do Not Disturb while driving so notifications don't interrupt. This keeps focus and reduces distractions during the journey. Finish by testing key functions. Use Google Assistant for navigation and hands-free calls and confirm the mic picks up your voice clearly. Make a short drive and verify maps reroute and media controls respond. If something goes wrong, reboot both phone and head unit first. That resolves most glitches. If problems persist, swap the USB cable, recheck permission settings, and update the Android Auto app and phone OS. One key troubleshooting tip: clearing the Android Auto cache often restores stability when connections fail.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.